Seemingly. But I think that team is getting too comfortable. They're acting like they know who they're dealing with.
Perhaps.
Turns out, one of those sleeper agents is tied to Operation Greenlight. Theodore Hastings. He's a nuclear engineer based out of Salt Lake City.
And you believe Hastings is the one he'll activate?
Exactly. Total surveillance is already underway. It's only a matter of time before he leads us straight to Perseus.
This is it. The recent movements of Theodore Hastings has led us here. Cuba. Right in our backyard.
A vacant government facility in the Cuban countryside has become a hub of activity for Perseus, and the likely location of the stolen nuke.
No doubt Castro allowed it.
$20 to anyone who can bring him down before me.
Who? Castro or Perseus?
Whoever.
We are not gonna let him move this nuke inside the States. It's time to take down Perseus, once and for all.
Team, wrap up any unfinished business. Once we strike, there's no turning back.
Woods! Don't get any bright ideas over there.
Yeah, you've got my sure as shit guaranteed.
May I have a word?
What's up?
You available?
You ready? You look ready. Hastings left Salt Lake City. We tracked his movements all the way to Cuba. We have to assume Perseus moved the nuke there.
Langley believes Castro could help Perseus smuggle it into the U.S. in exchange for a peek at the hardware, of course.
That isn't gonna happen.
What's the plan?
The last read we have on Hastings came from 30 miles south of Havana. We suspect Perseus is using an abandoned compound there to hold the nuke. They're working under the radar, so expect moderate security.
I say we smash and grab. Parachute in, grab the nuke, skyhook out.
And what if the nuke isn't there?
It's there. The only reason Perseus needs Hastings in Cuba is to prepare it for arming and detonation.
There you have it. Hudson will arrange our exfil while we're en route. If everyone's ready, let's move out.
All right, end of the line.
Adler's
Here we
late.
go.
Now,
Into the
love,
church.
we're early. Adler should be checking in right about...
Mark, we're in position.
Copy that. We're moving to flank.
All teams, we do this fast and loud. Find Hastings, grab the nuke, get the hell out. Woods, light up this joint. About fucking time.
Go, go, go! Do the honors, Bill.
Cover there! Like fucking clockwork.
All teams span out. Advance to the main gate.
Cover my ass! Enemy is moving!
Second floor windows.
another one. Look it! Give me some fucking cover! Move it! Oh, let's go! I need cover fire. I need suppressing fire. Smoke. Let's go.
Should be paying attention.
Like fucking clockwork. All teams fan out. Advance to the main gate. Move up! Let's go! I need cover!
Watch it, they're popping smoke.
Go! We're being flanked! Incoming grenade! We have a weapon!
MG, second floor, take him out!
Take your team right.
Copy.
What did these poor bastards do?
They finished their job.
They love a reward.
They've got closed-circuit cameras. We could use them to locate the nuclear bomb.
Sharp as ever.
Stay sharp.
Contact.
Is everyone all right? Bell, sweep for mines.
Bell, sweep for mines, not jump on the mines.
Is everyone all right? Bell, sweep for mines.
Could have expected that one.
Is everyone all right? Bell, sweep for mines.
Hero.
RPG on the balcony.
Checking now.
Lovely. Mason, you missed one behind the counter.
Thanks, Park.
Keep looking. There. Hold it. Adler, we have eyes on the nuclear device. Bloody hell. Someone's killing the scientists. Second floor, room 27B. Second floor, center room. Upstairs. Let's move.
Take you there, Park.
Rude, but effective.
Can't keep your eyes off me, huh, Park?
Bell, use the C4. Adler, we're moving to the second floor.
We're pinned down. Move ahead. We'll catch up.
Vamos a virar si no los detenemos. ¡Mátenlos, idiota!
Getting eyes on.
I need cover.
Please,
Let's
they're
go.
shooting at us! No! Stay away!
They're moving to flank.
Voy a cubrirme.
Get moving. Move. In motion. Let's move.
We're really hunkered down. We must be getting close.
Get that heavy MG. I need cover fire. Move.
Let's go.
B. Adler, we're heading inside. Bell, canvass the room. Hastings, start talking.
Perseus was here. He shot us. Escaped.
Perseus would never leave his precious nuke behind.
He forced us to reverse engineer the detonation codes. Give him full access to Greenlight.
What? Are you telling me Perseus can detonate multiple nukes in Europe?
I'm so sorry.
Hastings, stay with us. How many Greenlight devices can Perseus detonate with those codes?
He can detonate all of them.
He'll wipe out half of Europe.
And blame it all on the USA. We need to find that son of a bitch, Perseus.
Time to go. No?
Contact! Chopper coming in low. It's gotta be Perseus. All teams head to the roof.
Move! Move!
Adler, we got a shit ton of reinforcements circling this compound.
Moving!
Time to go. No?
Contact. Chopper coming in low. It's gotta be Perseus. All teams head to the roof.
Move! Move!
Adler, we got a
Cover
shit ton
me.
of reinforcements circling the top.
In motion!
Adler, I got eyes on an HVT. Down rooftop.
I moved.
Could be Perseus. He's climbing into a chopper. Take him out.
I need cover!
The window! Out the window! Bell, the window! Go!
Fuck me, the chopper got away. Fuck Perseus, we got bigger problems. Log down. Don't wait
This
for
is
us.
ground team.
Prep for
Confirm you have
Skyhook.
visual.
Roger that, ground team. We have visual. Fasten your harness, cross your arms, and remember to keep your backs to the wind. Inbound in 2 minutes.
Heads up, Bark. You got snipers on the roof.
Copy that. Bell, take out those snipers.
Ducks!
Controlled burst, Lazar. We're low on ammo. I think I'm ready for that drink now.
Don't tease me, Park.
But we'll have none of that horse piss you call beer.
¡Fuego de supresión!
It'll be a proper drunk.
Get ready. Here they come. Where's that plane?
1 minute. Stay focused, Lazar. I'll tell you what. When we get out of this, I'm buying.
Now that's something worth fighting.
Ground team, this is Skyhook. Zone is hot as hell. We lend an assist. Roger that. Help is on the way. Roger that. Clearing the roof now. That's a hit. Firing. Good effect. Good effect. Ground team, we only got enough fuel for one more pass. Be ready for extract. You will not get another chance.
Copy that, Skyhook.
I can see the plane. Park, we need to hook into the line now.
We'll do it in turns. Bell, you harness up first. We'll cover. Go!
Take cover.
Shit. Bell?
Ground team,
My
we have
legs.
contact in T-minus 10. 9.
The harness! I can't.
Wow, that was sick.
That was a goddamn fiasco.